Jack Jack.
Yeah, I call him Jack Jack. Mr. Jack Jack. Oops.
What?
What happened? What happened? Woo.
He's going nuts.
Aww. Careful though, you pop him on the head.
Whack him on the head.
I didn't. He looks too cute.
Mm-hmm. You know, when I came home in the morning, I was like, what the hell happened in here? I had the gift thing out from under the bed, and his carrier was on top, and I had a sweater on top of it. He had knocked his carrier over on the side. The door was open. There were turds on the floor. They were covered with thing, but I think he was running around, and he jumped in the litter box a couple times and kicked the poop out of the box. So, because he runs around like a nut, like he gets a spurt, and then he just runs around. Don't you run around. I have to give him his medicine.
Medicine?
Yeah, because he was sneezing a lot. He had a cold.